Ready to unlock the digital door to your workday at Cognizant and ensure seamless access to all the resources you need. Let's dive into logging into Cognizant systems. First things first, find the correct login portal. This is usually a specific web address provided by Cognizant. Once found, navigate a web browser to that address. Next, the most important step begins entering your credentials. Locate the username or employee ID field and carefully type in your assigned username or employee identification number. Double check for any typos. Now, move on to the password field. Enter your password. Remember, strong passwords are a must for security. Try to keep the correct password and ensure there are no caps locks accidentally turned on. After entering your login details, click Sign in. Give the system a moment to authenticate. It might take a few seconds to load. Hooray! Once the login is successful, which hopefully it is quickly, you'll be redirected to your personalized Cognizant dashboard or the main application you need. From there, you have access to internal resources. What if you run into a login hurdle? First, make sure you have the right login for the correct company and that they are correctly entered. If the issue persists, reset the password. If you still have problems, contact the Cognizant help desk immediately. Remember, consistent access is key to staying productive and connected at Cognizant. Now that you know exactly how to get in, you're ready to go.